The lady builder is about property expertise through the eyes of a woman. The marketplace has changed enormously over the last 20 years, and women are predominantly the decision makers, and quite often they're the ones who are paying. They've hugely successful careers, they have perfection in their careers, and they want it within their own homes, and often they find it difficult to find that in the building industry. Often people try to bamboozle them. There are many cliches about our industry, and unfortunately many of them are true. A typical builder will start with the plans and the technical information, whereas I start with the people and the personalities. As anybody will tell you, I am something of a rare breed, and I know I'm quite a large character on site and in my own personal life. But I've 30 years experience in the building industry. I love it. I just can't get enough of it. I love every angle of it. I started out as an assistant in a chartered surveyor's office in the commercial property sector, and I've been hooked ever since. I've worked in a structural engineering company as a draftsperson, and that way you really get to know the nitty-gritty and the detail of drawings, and also if you get them wrong. I then went on and opened up an interior design company because I love houses, and the whole thing. I just love the whole interior design, construction. I've gutted many a house myself personally, not with these sort of nails, but yes, hard hats and pulling doors off and doing all sorts of interiors, and built up a rental portfolio, again understanding the residential market as well as the commercial. There's nothing about the industry I haven't had a challenge at, well, I suppose in the larger projects. Nothing in this industry that phases me, because if I don't have the experience and knowledge on that particular subject, I know where to go and have a fantastic network, a support network within the industry. I think getting a work-life balance with family and children is very demanding, and it takes some planning. I personally decided to take a risk. I bought a cottage, renovated that, literally hands-on, putting the doors and the beams and new bathrooms in, and that was the start of my own personal rental portfolio. I'm president of the Huddersfield branch and district of the NSPCC, and I've been involved with the committee and the area for over 20 years. My children, I became involved in it because my children, who have a lovely, warm, happy home life, and a comfortable life, and a huge family, and many children don't have this luxury, and I find it really heartbreaking. I find it very distressing when I see and hear about some of the cases we have to deal with. So I also progressed the NSPC to being one of the largest fundraising committees in the UK, and had a fantastic time doing it, having regular annual NSPC balls, which are fantastic, in fact, amongst other things. But and I'm still passionate about the NSPCC. If I was to be giving advice to any women setting up a business or running a business or wanting to expand their business, keep focused. You know your goal, set your goal, even if you keep it as a secret to yourself. But planning. And don't be afraid of asking advice from people. People love giving advice. The whole focus of your business needs to be where you want to go, not where you're going at the moment, but where you want to go. And keep it tight, and don't try and empire build too soon, because everybody has this glorified idea of having a huge business. Do it slowly but surely. I've got a great set of people that work for me, great team I'm very fond of, and I believe it's reciprocal. I treat them with respect, I pay them on time, they know I want perfection, and they enjoy giving perfection. My advice and my guide to any woman that's running a business or is going to set up a business is as long as you show integrity and honesty and do your job to the best of your ability, the references will automatically come in. But you need to get out there, have fun when you're doing it, and people remember you, and you just take it from there. The business will come to you, but you've certainly got to go out there and be noticed.